And a very good day to all my viewers out there. It is right now Friday, January 28th, 2022. It's about 5:27 p.m. And we're here at the EXO Maintenance Centre here in Pointe-Saint-Charles. And this, of course, is the former CN rail yard. Like I said, there's the maintenance center right there. Be nice if there was some windows at ground level you could see right inside. But you can't really see from here. There's a rail line right in front of me here. And there's some old commuter cars down there, which we're going to see a better view of in a minute. And I had a couple of my viewers requesting a video of this area to check out some old train cars. And I figure, why not get a head start? And while I'm here, film this area as well, this building. And of course, like I mentioned, this whole area used to be CN yards at one point. Beautiful sunset in the distance. I want to try to get up to this observation area, which I'm sure a lot of fellow YouTubers may recognize. This is, of course, the observatory where you can do a lot of rail fanning and you get a nice view of the EXO yards here. So again, like I said, it used to be a CN train yard where they would repair the CN trains and whatnot, and now it's an EXO maintenance center. So we'll go up to the observatory here, and I can tell you, I've grown up in this whole area and it's changed substantially in the last 20-30 years. Just to let you know, these houses here, I believe in their original state, of course they've been renovated since, but these houses originally were for the CN workers or the rail workers at an earlier part of history. And there's even a mural there. You can't really see it because it's dark, but there's a mural on the side of that building depicting the history of this whole area. As we get higher up, you can see the skyline of Montreal, very beautiful. As you can see, they even plowed this area so you could see, they keep it open so you could see the area all year round. And there, of course, is the skyline of Montreal, and right there are some old train cars. I believe the MR90s, which used to be on the Du Montagne line, which are these ones right here. And you have some other ones there with multiple levels. And if you look closely in the distance, you can see the RTM line, which connects to the South Shore. And yeah, we have a locomotive here and a little switcher behind it. And I'll try to get a higher view here. And I'll do a separate video in a minute of those rail cars, which I had a request to do. But yeah, I'll give you a little view here. Always some train action going on here. If you're into rail fanning, definitely check this place out. In the distance, you can see a tower, kind of make it out a bit. That's towards St. Henry and Atwater, where there's another rail fanning area. What I'll do is I'll put a link in my description of how to get here and where it is. And looks like we got a train coming in the distance, commuter train, or it could be a via train as well. We may see it pass by us, or it may go directly onto another set of tracks. I'll keep filming till it goes by, and then yeah, I'll do a separate video specifically of these trains here, these old train cars. Yeah, it looks like this could be a Mascouche, a train from the Mascouche line taking a detour. And just so you know, we're facing somewhat to the east. Down there's to the south. More towards the north, and down here's towards the west. Beautiful sky tonight. Yeah, it looks like we're gonna get lucky here. This train's gonna be coming our way. No, actually, that's yeah, it's a Mascouche train, commuter train. And I'm going to put a link as well to the Discord server if you're into public transit or trains or anything of that sort. Come join and with fellow fans and talk about it, discussions, sharing photos, videos. There we go. Alright, so I'll make another video in a minute here, and yeah, more videos to come. Have a good night all.